Hey guys, this is so cool to say hello. I'm Toddy from Germany. I'm having a very exciting profession. I'm living actually my dream job because I'm a travel agent and I'm specialized on a very special country. I'm specialized into Maldivian travels. If you don't know what Maldives is, let me show you Maldives. This is a beautiful beach. This is just, you can even switch on the sound. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, guys, I was yesterday Christmas was over, or today actually Christmas is over, and I thought, why not starting a channel and telling the audience about my work, about my experience, about everything what I'm doing, because every day I'm doing something regarding to Maldives together with my wife, Yami. She will also appear one day. Today she's busy. So, but I wanted to start this channel, so that's why I'm recording that. I'm also having this exciting program where I can show text and videos and myself, and yeah, that's amazing. So that's why I took the chance and said, hey, let's start something about Maldives what never has been there before. I just wanted to record my screen and I just want to tell you what I'm in. As I told you, Maldives is a very special place. You can write in the comments if it's on your bucket list as well. We are quite famous in Germany. We have a blog in German about budget traveling, and we have a travel agency about. We are doing a lot of things. We are specialized into sustainable travel. We are doing safaris, snorkel and adventure safaris in Maldives. And yeah, we are doing tours. We are organizing tours. We we're doing very much individual plannings. And as I told you, we are quite famous in Germany, and our audience there knows us quite well. We thought, why not going to the English market and telling you something what we are going, because this country is so amazing, and everybody likes to go there, but the knowledge is quite limited. And on the internet, there's a lot of knowledge now available, but the thing is, there's a lot of bullshit written, and yeah, but why I am and my wife, we are the right person to tell you about traveling in Maldives. It's very easy because I am myself. I was working in Maldives almost 30 years ago. I was a diving instructor. I fell in love to that country, and I came back after I quit my job there. I came back for holidays again and again. And 20 years ago, I took Yami for our first holiday together. We went to Maldives. We had a wonderful time, and she also fell in love to that country. And yeah, we thought doing something together. And just 2.5 years ago, we started our travel agency. And last year, no, this year, 2024, we have organized our first snorkel and adventure safari. And yeah, we are curious about that country, and we're guiding many people through their plannings. We're booking resort stays, we are booking guest house stays, and we're explaining you all differences. What makes Maldives so diverse, even in the way of how to travel and accommodation wise. Because the first look you are having might be just beautiful beaches, resorts, and everything is very cleanish and very stylish. But Maldives can be also different, a little different. Um, Yeah, as I have this wonderful tool, let me switch. And I named this channel Maldives to Go. So I want to do as much as I can snackable content about Maldives that you learn something about um, this beautiful place. And so you can easily decide if it's also a country you would like to travel, and with all the information we are going to share with you, it might be more easier for you. And we are open to get receive questions from you guys that we can answer as much as we can, because as I told you, every day it's Maldives Day for us. We are also in Maldives at the moment, not because of Christmas. We wanted to share family time, but we are going to Maldives in end of January, February. We are going. We will stay there for a while, and of course, this channel will be more colorful than when we are in the country as well, and we can share our stories there. What we're doing in Instagram also. Yeah, cool. So let me share my screen now. This beautiful sound is gone. I hope you can see the difference. Huh? It was very chilling, isn't it? Yeah, I need to get it back for the other screen because it was relaxing for me as well. Maldives, yes. How about Maldives? Let me show you. I can use the pointer. Very nice. So Maldives is located in the Indian Ocean. I will later on, next step, next slide, I will show you a map on Google Earth, so you can have a great overview. But just these are the facts. Maldives has 1,198 islands listed. I will say roughly we say 1,200 islands. From the dimension, you have 900 kilometers from north to south, and around about 120 kilometers from, let's say, from west to east. There, from these 1,200 islands, there are just 220 islands inhabited by locals. And roundabout, this is not an exact number because the resorts are growing and even others are closing. So at the moment, we have 144 resorts. The different, I will explain you later. Not today, maybe in another part. But this is the biggest difference while traveling in Maldives. Local islands and resorts makes the difference, even in budget. So it's a key point we have to talk about. And Maldives inhabitants, around about 500,000, 2023. Most of them live in the Greater Malé area near the capital. I will also show you around that. And the language in Maldives is Divihi. It's a very interesting language. We can speak a little, or we also can share some words. Some words are close to Arab. For example, thank you means shukriya, or merhaba, also words. They're quite similar to other countries. But this language is also, Yami is quite keen in learning that language, and she know how to write the letters and to read the letters as Tana. This is the alphabet. There we can have a session about it as well if you're interested. But first, let's learn about something about the country. This is the screen I'm sharing with you now. This is Google Earth. Now I need to move a little bit my head because I wanted to show you. Or maybe I can do it like that. It's also, that's very cool. This program, I like it. I will write the name of this presentation software into the comments because it's really amazing. So let me show you. That's the word. Wow. This is the Indian Ocean. I need to have the pointer as well, then I can better. Oh, what a bit big, isn't it? No, with pointer it's not working. So yeah, and this is India, but you can see it quite well. This is India. This is Sri Lanka, and this was a German Malediven. It's the German word for Maldives, the Republic of Maldives. And you can see, what I forgot in the fact, 26 atolls we are having in Maldives, and you see this. I love this 3D view. You can see Maldives turning around. Yeah, but let me show you the capital area. This is this is the North Malé Atoll, this is the South Malé Atoll. Together is the we call it Kafu Atoll. And you can see this is the airport, Villana International. This is the capital of Malé. And this is a very big artificial island that's called Malé. You can see there are two phases. This is phase 1. This is phase 2. This is a reclaimed island where a lot of Maldivians shifted from the atolls, shifted to that area. So this is the most crowded area in Maldives. A lot of people live there, and to be quite honest, to make holidays into that area, it's a bit, yeah, you will feel there's another energy, because Maldives has we say in German, there's a word we call deceleration. Maybe in English it also fits quite well. When you are in Maldives, you will feel a kind of, very special deceleration. You will break down everything. Your mind, it's getting calmed down within a very short while. But this area, as it is very much energetic, there's a lot of traffic, there are a lot of people, so even the view, it's not that beautiful, because there are a lot of ships in the harbors, and the ships are traveling. So this area, it's quite, it's a bit disturbed from the typical Maldivian energy. So that's our recommendation, as always: travel far as you can, and Maldives is more beautiful and undisturbed. I hope I explained that quite properly. So just a rough introduction into the most tourist places you are having in Maldives. This is and the most touristical atolls you are having. This is, as I told you, of course, they developed these atolls first. This is North and South Malé. There you have a lot of resorts. There you have also, unfortunately, this is the dark side of Maldives. We call the artificial islands. You can see that they are not green, and they are just reclaimed. There's a lot of impact into the nature. Coral reefs are destroyed due to that, and especially in that lagoon, you have a lot. You can see that very ugly. They have to bring the plants. These islands are very hot. They have no shade. And the thing is, we have seen during our, with me 30 years, Yami 20 years travel time, we have seen more than 100 islands, and we say these islands have no soul, because there's no spirit. You can't feel the spirit. And you have so many islands. Please be careful when you choose your island by yourself, that this island is not reclaimed. The very important recommendation we are giving here. Okay, so this is Malé atoll. This is an atoll, also divided into north part and south part. This part is very famous for diving. Near to Dangeti, there's a big channel with a big water flow. They are the most beautiful dive spots in Maldives. I was working here in the area of Mamigili. Here's the whale shark area. I will tell you about whale shark and sustainable tourism in another video. And yeah, this is the most famous shark spot in Rastu, also a nice atoll for diving. Almost an atoll, you have nice places for diving. And this is the Vavu atoll. These are the most crowded places in the central area, and then when we're going more north, we have a beautiful atoll. This is a UNESCO biosphere reservate, and it's protected area, the whole atoll. And this is the Ba atoll. And about Ba atoll we can tell you a lot. Our last snorkel and adventure cruise was in that atoll. We came here, we've started here, make a big round, and ended in that very small atoll. This is the Horseberg atoll, also Goido atoll. This is a very secluded place, very nice place, very calm place, not much crowded with tourists. Also a recommendation. Yeah, but I'm telling you so much. This is just the first video. I hope you enjoy it, guys. And you just give me as you say, give me a thumb up. Please put this channel onto your list. And it would be great to see you in the other movies. This was just a short introduction. As I said, I'm Toddy. I know the country a long time. We're doing a lot with our travel agency, and next year we are planning 4 snorkel safaris. The first one starts in January, then in April, in summertime, and in October. And next time I can show you our vessels we are traveling with, and give you some impression about the tour we have done last November, just 1 month ago. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, see you another day. Hi, bye.